Fine, now let us start solving the problem number 15. Fine, we have to simplify the given equation, right? You know that is Bard-Mass rule, right? Bard-Mass means what? Bracket of means division, multiplication before division, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here they have given in terms of mixed fraction. Let me convert it into improper. Let us go with that first. 8 4 is 32. That is, here you need to multiply and then here you need to add. 8 4 is 32 plus 6 38. 38 by 8 minus, right? Open a bracket. 9 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 plus, open a bracket. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 minus 4 1 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 4, right? Now let us go with this first bracket, right? First this and then flower bracket. So let us simplify it. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 4. Take LCM for 2 and 4, which is nothing but 4. 2 2s are 2 5s are 10 minus 4 1s are 5. This will become 5 by 4, correct? So now this equation becomes what? 38 by 8 minus, open a bracket, 10 by 3 plus 5 by 4, correct? Now, so now we need to simplify this, that is 10 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Take a LCM for 3 and 4. 3 and 4 LCM will be 12, right? 12. 3 4s are 4 into 10, right? 4 into 10 plus 3 into 5, right? 40 plus 15 by 12, which is going to be 55 by 12. Now 38 by 8 minus 55 by 12. Now take a LCM for 8 and 12. 8 and 12 LCM I need to take. Let me go with the 2 4s are 2 6 are again 2 2s are 2 3s are. Further division is not possible. 2 2s are, so the LCM for this 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 24. So 24 is the LCM, right? 8 3s are, right? 24 are supposed to divide by 8, that is 8 3s are 3 into 38. 3 into 38 minus 2 into 55. Now simplify it. So 38 3s are, 8 3s are 24, correct? 2 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 104, correct? 8 3s are 24, 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 114 minus 55 2s are, that is 110 by 24, right? Now 114 minus 110 is 4. This is 4 by 24, right? Now simplify it. 4 1s are 4 6 are, 4 1s are 6. That is answer is for this, that is 1 by 6.